All right, 29 says how many sides does a regular polygon have if each exterior angle measures 30 degrees? So remember, we have this equation that says your exterior angles equals 360 divided by n, where n equals my number of sides. In our case, we have the exterior angle measure and we're looking for n. So we have 30 equals 360 divided by n. To move our n, we're going to multiply both sides by n, so times n times n. On this left side, we'd have 30n equals, our n's over here cancel, 360. We'd divide by 30. We'd divide by 30, and we would get n equals 36 divided by 3 is 12. So 12. We would get n equals 12. Uh, 30 says find the value of x. The diagram is not to scale. So I have a bunch of interior angles. The first thing I'm going to need to do is figure out what my sum of the interior angles is. Remember, it's that formula, it's n minus 2 times 180. In our case, n is our number of sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is going to be 5. So we're going to do 5 minus 2 times 180, which is going to be 3 times 180, which equals 540. And then we're going to set 540 equal to all of these things added together. So I see a 90 plus 148 plus 3x plus 10 plus x plus 112. All of them equal 540. We are going to go ahead and solve that. I'm just going to zoom out so I have a little more space. And then we're going to start by combining our like terms. So I notice that we have 90, 148, 10, and 112. So we're going to add those together. 90 plus 148 plus 10 plus 112. That's 360. So we have 360 plus, I see 1x, I see another x, so we have 4x equals 540. We are going to subtract 360 from both sides. When we do that, we get 4x equals 540 minus 360, which is 180. And then to get rid of both of my 4's, we're going to divide this side by 4, divide that side by 4, and we get x equals 180 divided by 4, which is 45. So my final answer would be x equals 45. That's all I was looking for. I don't have to plug it in. Really, the important part about these guys is you need to know this formula, and you need to use that first, and that's what you set everything equal to. The last one says the sum of the interior angle measures of a polygon with s sides is 2340, so 2340. So I know that my sum of my interior angles equals n minus 2 times 180. Now they tell me that I know the sum is 2340. Instead of n, they use s. So we're going to have s minus 2 times 180. Now my first step is to get rid of that 180. So I'm going to divide both sides by 180. And when I do that, we get 2340 divided by 180, 13. So we have 13 is equal to s minus 2. We're going to add 2 to both sides. And you get s equals 15. So 15 should be your final answer. If you want and you're unsure of it, take whatever number you found, try to plug it in. Also, your test is going to be multiple choice. So if you don't want to do all this solving, plug in your options to this formula and see which one gives you the right answer.